Happy birthday, Paul. I was been asked to give a message on your birthday. Bro, ito na masasabi ko. Ah, Wishing you more blessings to come, good health, and always stay humble as you are. Sensya ka na pare, wala ako dyan to celebrate with your birthday. Hope pag uwi ng Pinas, sana magkatagpo-tagpo ng schedule ng bakasyon natin. Regards to all, lalo na ingat pare lagi, and sana mag-materialize lahat yung dreams na pinaganahan natin, pinagplanuhan, and hoping sana ma-achieve natin kung ano man meron tayo. Bless you pare, and happy birthday ulit.